calculating the cost of common stock for use in calculating weighted average cost of capital. When we look at common stock issued by a corporation, one of the questions we can ask ourselves is, how much is this costing us every year? Take an example of a company that raises $100 million through the sale of common stock. That common stock is assumed to have a cost associated with it. It's assumed that $100 million that we raised is not necessarily free. And the way that we calculate the cost of that common stock is by rearranging terms from a prior formula that we've been exposed to. We would say that the cost, represented by the letter R here, is equal to the dividend divided by the price of the stock plus the assumed growth rate. Remember that the common stock model has a growth rate associated with it. So in this example, we have a $1 dividend. The stock has a $10 price associated with it. So we would take that $1 divided by the 10, which gives us 10%, and then we'll add to that the growth rate of 5% to come up with a total cost per year of 15%. And we would say that this is what our common stock is costing us per year. This is what it costs us to raise that $100 million through the sale of common stock, is 15% a year. And this is a very simplistic way of representing it, but it gives us a foundation from which we can start to discuss what all of our money is costing us from all of the different sources, and then that helps us to make future decisions.